In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your business email in Zoho CRM using IMAP integration. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can start sending and receiving emails directly inside Zoho CRM, all from your existing email provider. This setup helps you keep your conversations and your CRM data in one place, which is really useful for tracking communication with leads and customers. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the setup icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main settings area, where you can configure all kinds of options related to your account and your organization. Inside the setup page, you'll see several sections. Look for the one labeled Channels. This is where Zoho groups all the ways you can communicate with your customers. Click on Channels and then select Email. This will take you to the email-related configuration options. On the email page, you should see an option called Email Configuration. Click on that and then choose Get Started. If this is your first time setting up email inside Zoho CRM, this is the screen that begins the integration process. Next, you'll be asked to select your email provider. Zoho supports several common providers such as Gmail, Outlook, and Zoho Mail, among others. Choose the provider that matches the email account you use for your business communication. This step is important because Zoho will use it to pre-fill or guide you through the correct server settings. After selecting your provider, you'll see options for how you want to connect your email. Here, you want to choose IMAP. Look for the IMAP radio button and select it. IMAP allows Zoho CRM to sync your email messages across devices, so what you see in Zoho will match what you see in your regular inbox. This keeps everything consistent and avoids confusion. Once you've selected IMAP, review the settings on the screen. Depending on your provider, some fields may already be filled in for you. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the option to update or save your configuration. After saving, Zoho will complete the integration. From now on, your emails will be available directly inside Zoho CRM, tied to your contacts and deals, making your follow-up and tracking much easier.